Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be looking at on how you can scan QR codes from your mobile devices. I'm using a Samsung and I'm on the latest version of the Samsung OS. There's two ways of scanning the QR code. One of them is once I drop down the notification menu. From there I've got this tab called Scan QR Code. Next thing I do is just press on the tab and just press and scan the QR code. As you can see, I got the QR scan. So it basically depends on what website. You can almost scan any QR code you want. And if you have a picture on your mobile device, you can just select that picture and also scan that QR code as well. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.